Amitba, thank you very much. It's a pleasure meeting you actually. One-to-one on this type of my personal podcast. And let us have a very free and very open discussion question. Main thing, we all, आम्ही पहिला गोंय कशें दिसता जायत वयता दिसपाक एक एक फावटी अशें दिसता की आमी कायलींतले उसळोन आतां उज्यान पडल्या बट एवरीवेर ती डिसयुनिटी कशी दिसती पडटा सो देर आर सम बेजीक थिंग्स वीच आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो कित्याक आमचे लोक पळय आहात चड करून सावथाचो ऑल गोवा लेवल म्हणून तूं आमी हो हेतू घेवन चलया बट मेनली सावथ गोवा जावन साश्टील एक मेन म्हणजे is Congress is almost handicap कशी झाली काय दिसता ऑल गोवा लेवलाचेर पॅरालायटीक कशी फॉर्मान आसा बिकॉज आफ्टर द होल ऑफ गोवा गिविंग अ मॅन्डेट इन साउथ गोवा टू कॅप्टन विर्यातो दिस वॉज अ व्हेरी गुड बिगिनिंग वी कूड हॅव डन सो गोंयांत काँग्रेसाचे बिल्ट अप कशी काय दिसती पडना हेजेर तुजें कितें म्हणणें
I think your statement, what you said, indicate I will not agree to this. During Lok Sabha election, आम्ही पहिले की कशा पद्धतीन बीजेपीन आज गोयची विटंबना केली गोंय काबार करपाचो एक प्रयत्न ह्या बीजेपीन चालू केलो. आफ्टर दॅट लोकसभाच्या इलेक्शनान साऊथ गोवा काँग्रेसीचो उमेदवार जिंकलो. नॉर्थ गोवा समज जर 5 मतदारसंघ जर आम्ही काढत जाल्यार बॅलन्स 15 मतदारसंघात वी हॅव डन रिजनेबली वेल 4 मतदारसंघात वी आर लिडिंग. आता 2027चे इलेक्शनाची तयारी ही आमची लोकसभा सोंपतकीच चालू जाली. तुवें पयलां आसतलें की आमचे सेक्रेटरी इन्चार्ज सुद्दां प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात वचून वी आर वर्किंग ऑन बूथ लेवल. फाटल्या आठवड्याक तुवें पयलें आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी इन्चार्ज हे जे 8 मतदारसंघांत जे डिफेक्शन जालें त्या मतदारसंघांत पार्टीची कितें स्थिती आसा पार्टीचें ऑर्गनायझेशन खंयच्या स्थळाचेर आसा हे ते प्रत्यक्षान थंय येवन पळयतात आनी आमचो एफर्ट आसा की अप टू बूथ लेवल संघटना स्ट्रॉंग करप फॉर 2027 हाचो प्रयास आमी ऑलरेडी चालू केल्लो आसा. सो your statement I will not agree to as आता न्ही हाच्या पयलीं सुद्दां हांवें सांगलें की काँग्रेस पार्टी 40 मतदारसंघात आपले ऑर्गनायझेशन स्ट्रॉंग करपाचें काम चालू केल्लें आसा आनी लोकांचे आज प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात इश्यू आसा. आज तुवें पळयलां की एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हॅज डिफरंट प्रॉब्लम्स.
I agree with whatever you say. This is your point of view. हांवें तुका पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू दिला दॅट इज द पल्स ऑफ द पीपल. लोक जो डायरेक्टली मे बी दे आर नॉट एबल टू रीच टू यू ऑर तुका सांगना आसतले बट आय एम अमॉंग द कॉमन पीपल. सो सगळ्याक वयता थंय ही चर्चा चालूच आसता आनी ह्या 8 जाण डिफेक्टर्स पळय गेले फ्रॉम दॅट टायम ऑल्सो पळोवपाक गेल्यार ऑलमोस्ट आय कॅन टेल यू प्रॅक्टिकली दॅट यू मे प्रोटेक्ट इट ऑर यू मे गार्ड इट दॅट इज युअर रायट टू डू इट. But 80% of the constituencies of the 40 constituencies काय दिसती पडना there is nothing and whatever थोडे मुवमेंट तुझे पळय दिसती पडले आजकाल ते गेले त्या आठवड्यात दिसती पडले थोडे.
तुझे परसेप्शन ऑफ लुकिंग एट इट माइट बी डिफरंट. यू कॅनॉट से की काय नासतना वोट्स कशे आयले काय नासतना पार्टी लोकांच्या दारा मेरेन कशी पावली काय नासतना during Lok Sabha election how those 17C forms original are required. I think it's a wrong perception people are having. The second defection जे senior level जे leaders आशिल्ले they have now gone आणि party almost clean जाल्या अशें we can say. कित्याक ह्या लोकांनी second line of leadership म्हणटा ती केन्ना डेव्हलपच केली ना. Lok Sabha, as I told you, South Goa we have seen there are 15 constituencies in North Goa where we have done relatively good.
That is good. That is good if you are riding on that horse bike. But let us not give that whole credit for the Congress alone. There are 2-3 factors, Amitba. I don't know how we can digest it. एक तर आम आदमी पार्टी also was in alliance थंय गोवा फॉरवर्ड आशिल्लो. त्या भायर देर वॉज पब्लीक सेंटिमेंट अगेन्स्ट द बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट. Number 3, and there were totally all the activists also in full swing. Let us not deny that fact. It was not only of the Congress. So if you think you are going to ride on that piggy bank, I think things will be not still good. See, unless until we correct ourselves, आम्ही जर mistake correct करिना, and are we expecting to win election on anti-incumbency of all the parties? That the Congress will win only with anti-incumbency? What are we doing to grow the party? आता काँग्रेसाची म्हाका एक मिटींग दाखोवली 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतले हांव म्हणटा एक एक कॅन्डिडेट घेवन एक 20 जाण आयले जाल्यार मोर देन 800-900 लोक जावपाक जाय मरे. हे 800-900 लोकांक घेवन खंय एक मिटींग तुमची जाल्या दाखय म्हाका सावथाक.
I don't take me wrong.
No.
Okay, interview in what context I am not able to understand. Now our focus is on the coming ZP elections. Lok Sabha election zale, South Goacho candidate jiklo, and you have seen time and again in all the sessions, even the current parliament session which is going on. Yesterday also you see South Goa MP has raised issues of North Goa also.
Yes.
So there is an effort of the party to raise each and every question of the people of Goa. जो North Goacho खासदार पंचवीस वर्सांचो न्हिदला, ज्याचे दोळे उगडे जायना, ते we are raising it up. You have seen in the
Full credit, no doubt about this, to our South Goa MP, Captain Virato. इथून काही शक ना. He has raised more issues in this few years compared to even last 15-20 years. No doubt about that. I am not looking at that now. Now we are looking at also assembly-wise, 2027 and now. There are many leaders, Amit Babu. त्यांका सगळ्याक ही मेंबरशिप ड्रायव्ह पळय म्हणटा ती घेवन ऑन ग्राउंड दिसची पडोवंकूय जाय न्ही. आतां कितले लिडर आसा मरे, टेक एट रॅन्डम जनरल सांगल्यार people who are there vocal on the streets, people who are able to gather around 200-300 people at one point of time. असले जायते लिडर आहा न्ही. सो ह्या लिडरांक घेवन ही मुवमेंट कित्याक जायना? इज देयर अ स्कॅम? देर इज एक थ्रेट कशी दिसता लिडराक? तूं म्हणटा सेकंड लायन तयार जावना. आमकां काँग्रेसांनी असली सेकंड लायन.
I think you have got my point wrong. I told you that these leaders who have defected, they never created a second line of leadership, which we have started an effort wherein now we are building first line of leadership, second line of leadership, third line of leadership. That you see all across Goa getting built up.
But when
and you are, I don't know if you want, you can go to our timeline and check. There is an effort of going all across Goa. It is not that एकूच मतदारसंघ और ह्याच मतदारसंघान काम चालू. काँग्रेस पार्टीचे काम हे पुराय गोंयभर चालू आसा आणि आता ते झेडपी इलेक्शनाक म्हाका दिसता ताजे रिजल्ट दिसून येतलो. And that is like a preparation for the assembly election which is coming in 2027. We have already started our process of जे कोण aspirant आसा who want to fight for ZP election. हे आम्ही ब्लॉक लेवल मेरेन ऑलरेडी वो प्रोसेस चालू केल्लो आसा.
from common point of view तुका सांगता, I am not as a political leader. There are people I think, आमचे नावेलीचे सपोज एक बास म्हणटा जस्ट रॅन्डम प्रतिमा बाय आहा जावं थंय कोण आगासाई कोण एलन म्हणून आहा, कोण स्वप्नेश शेल्लेकर आसा आमचो, मागीर तो शामील म्हणून आसा, अशे कितलेच आसा न्ही. दे आर रेडीची मेंबरशीप तेंकडच्यान तेंकां फुडें काडून असले आनी जायते आसात म्हण तूं. बट आय एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट कांट वी बिल्ड दीस सेकंड लायन अगेन.
न्ही पूण I don't know, you made a, are you saying that Swapnish Shalekar wants to join Congress?
No, I am not saying join.
Are you saying that Elhan is joining? See, activists, like I really appreciate the काम Swapnish Shalekar is doing of exposing this government's wrongdoing, whether it be land conversion, whether it be amendments under 39A, 17 to. So he is, as an activist, there are Shankar Polchi is there, Rama Kanwankar is
Samir
there,
is there.
Then you are there. So you people are fighting as activists to safeguard the vote. Congress is a political party who is fighting elections on ground, who is there for the people of Goa. As गोंयकार आणि गोंयची अस्मिताय जर तर कोणे सांबाळून दवरल्या, इट इज बिकॉज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ काँग्रेस पार्टी. ही पार्टी ज्याची धोरणां आशिल्ली हिंदू धर्म वाचोवपाची ते आमी परवरी सुकुरा पळयले की जो राखणदेव आसा ताकाच थंयच्यान हुमटावन नश्ट करून व्हेलो. फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी पळयलें की बजरंग दल एका सिनियर 85 वर्साच्या नामनेचो हिस्टोरियन, एक सेमेले, एक जर्नलिस्ट, ताच्या घरा वचून आमी रातचे धुमाकूळ घालता की ताणें छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजाचेर उलयलो म्हणून. अरे हांवूय हिंदू, म्हाकाय छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजाचो अभिमान आसा, पूण छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजान केन्नाच सांगूंक ना की घरा जाणट्याच्या वचून धुमाकूळ घाल म्हणून. जेन्ना काप्रेश्वराचें देवस्थान मोडलें तेन्ना हांची फिलिंग्स हर्ट जाले ना, तेन्ना हांकां दुख जालें ना, तेन्ना हे खंय आशिल्ले? खंयच नाशिल्ले. आय थिंक आज गोंयांत जर आमी पळयत ज्या पद्दतीन भाटां, बेसां, डुंगर जे आमचे नश्ट करता, आज लोकां भितर एक फूट घालपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला.
But you also don't misunderstand me. जेन्ना हांवें तुका स्वप्नील बाबाचें नांव सांगलें, he was one activist. But there are others also. आतां आमचो काँग्रेसान जो हांवें पळयला सुनील खवटणकर, इज अ डॅशिंग व्हेरी वोकल. आनी असले लिडर आमकां जर तर काँग्रेसान मेळले आनी वॉट यू आर सेईंग सेकंड रन ऑफ लिडर हे दिसती पडोंक जाय न्ही. थंयचे तो वरण आलेबा म्हूण आसा, असले लिडर आसूंक जाय मरे आमचे कडेन. There has to be vocal also the people. It is not, I am talking about activists. तुम्ही तयार करा, give us your confidence न्ही, हेका लागून आमी म्हणटात. आनी लास्ट आनी फायनल प्रश्न म्हणल्यार आमी जायते 1-2 वर्सां पयलीं आमी मेळ्ळले तेन्ना हांवें तुका एक रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले, तुमी युनिटीची पळय खबर करतात गोंयांत, जाल्यार तुमी काँग्रेसाची पयली युनिटी करून दाखया म्हणून. तेन्ना ते म्हाका एक कमिटमेंट केलेले, येता ते 3 म्हयने भितर पळय म्हणून. We will all be on one page. Have you all still come on one page or not? Because आता पहिले तर हांवें 3च ग्रुप पळयले, आता 4 ग्रुप दिसचे पडटात.
I don't think so there are any groups in Congress party. तुवें लोकसभा पळयला आसतलें, we all have fought under the Congress banner and everybody was seen everywhere. तुवें सुनील खवटणकराचो उल्लेख केलो. सुनील खवटणकराक म्हज्या जेन्ना अध्यक्षपद जालें तेन्ना ताका वायस प्रेसिडेंट सेकंड लायन ऑफ लिडरशीप तुका सांगलें आमी तयार करता. सुनील खवटणकराक वायस प्रेसिडेंट अर्चित नायकाक हाडलो, आमी भरत म्हार्दोळकाराक हाडलो. सो देर इज एन एफर्ट की जे यंग जनरेशन जे आसा, यूथ जे आसा, जे वोकल आसा, हू आर टॉकिंग फियरलेसली अगेन्स्ट दीस गव्हर्मेंट, वी हॅव बीन गेटिंग देम ऑन द फोरफ्रंट. सो देर इज एन एफर्ट विच इज गोईंग ऑन टू मेक स्ट्रेंथन द काँग्रेस. देर आर नो ग्रुप्स. Congress party, Goa Pradesh Congress Committee is one. We are united and we will fight this election to throw the BJP out.
This is what you are saying, no groups. Is it for the public feed or that is the truth? Because ज्या पर्यंत लोकांक दिसती पडटा म्हाकाय दिसती पडटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गिरीश बाब चुडणकर, फ्रांसीस सार्दीन, डेफिनेटली दे आर 2 different pages अशें लोकांक क्लियर कट दिसती पडटा. इफ यू आर डिनाइंग, आर यू इन सेल्फ डिनायल? Or let us know the truth, get it sorted out, bring us together. Because the people of Goa, anti-incumbency are us. But we want also your positive efforts in actually bringing the people together. When was the last we can see, or the immediate, in the coming 1-2 months, can we see all these leaders on one table with minimum 1,000 people around us?
As I told you, you can go on our timeline and check. गिरीश चोडणकर, फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना, यूरी आलेमा, कैप्टन मिरियाटो फर्नांडीज, we might have personal views, but when it comes to party, you will see all together in all our PAC meetings since the time I have become president. You see all are there, everybody shares their views. Girish Chodankar also is there in the meeting, Francisco Sardina is also there in the meeting.
Just in the latest meeting I didn't see Girish.
No, PAC, you go to a timeline, check the photograph, and you see in our PAC meetings whether they are there, they are sharing their views or no. I think people should not get misguided by all these rumors. Congress party is united and we have made an effort to keep everybody together. See, प्रत्येक मनशाचे views different असू शकतात. You will see compared to last previous terms, this time the legislative wing and the party organization are going in one direction. Earlier, if you have seen, probably there might be 2 different views. But this time, all the elected members, all the legislative wing, the organization all are in one page, all are in one direction. You see all our PAC which are happening, everybody is there. Everybody is putting their points. And then finally we come to one conclusion that this is our roadmap, this is how we have to go ahead.
Okay, anyhow, thank you very much. But before we leave this place, on behalf of what I am पळय लोकांकडच्यान आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे, the people of Goa want Congress people to give us a vision of the leaders that are to come, who could be the probable candidates. They need not get in a person and promise him a ticket, but let them work as probable candidate, and the best of them can be given the ticket. But we should have a leader in every constituency. आज 40 constituency 40 leader तरी दिसती पडोंक जाय. एके मातशें अशें लोकांक कॉन्फिडन्स येतलो हेच्या फुडें. And I hope Amit Bab will be able to see top leaders of every constituency. We are all with you all. There is no doubt about that. But only thing, आमकां advance जाणून घेवन that कोण कोण leaders आसा ते. Not 10 days before that tickets are being given and then people will say tickets are sold by this one and that one. तशें जावचें न्हू. So I hope everything will work out and let us come together as one team. Thank you very much, Dev Bari Guru Amit Bab. And it was my pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.